Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Alex's Adventures. And in this episode of Alex's Adventures, we will be taking an adventure walking around Toronto's Chinatown. That is right. In this episode of Alex's Adventures, we will be exploring Toronto's Chinatown and see what Toronto's Chinatown has to offer. So here we are in Toronto's Chinatown. Here we are on Spadina Avenue, one of the main streets of Toronto's Chinatown. Here in the background, here you can see downtown Toronto with the CN Tower. And let's see what this place has to offer. So here we are. In the middle of Spadina Avenue is a light rail. Here you can see the streetcar, and using Toronto's public transit, the streetcar is a great way to move up and down in Toronto's Chinatown. So that's the streetcar. Here, as we move towards the heart of Toronto's Chinatown, here you can see several businesses along Spadina Avenue. And as we pan to our right, we have a Chinatown Center, kind of like a mini mall in Toronto's Chinatown. And as we pan to our right, here you can see we have HSBC and more shops along this street. So as we continue to walk along Spadina Avenue, as we look around here, we have several stores. On this side of the street here, we have the Hong Kong Island Dim Sum House. We have a Vietnamese restaurant and other Chinese cuisines. Here we have a hot pot place on that corner of the street. Here you have a pharmacy on this corner. And as we look to our right, here we have a supermarket, kind of like a small grocery store or a small Chinese grocery store. Here we have Kung Fu Tea. And here we have a Chinese barbecue restaurant where we see Peking duck and all that stuff on Spadina Avenue. Here we have this place called Bao. And let's look on the other side of the street. On the other side of the street here, we have more stores. We have a ramen place right there. Some shops. Here we have another streetcar coming down on Spadina Avenue. And as we are coming up to an intersection, Dundas and Spadina Avenue, this is the main core, the heart of Chinatown. So this is a busy intersection in Toronto's Chinatown. Where you have several streetcars across one of another. Beautiful sight to see here. And as we zoom out and pan to our left, here we have Dragon City Mall. So let's go ahead and check out what Dragon City Mall has to offer. So we are inside Dragon City Mall. Let's go ahead and see what this mall is about. And as we look around, this mall is not like your typical malls that you see in the suburbs, but kind of like a condensed mall with several stores that is packed together on several levels. So you have several shops and pharmacy stores. Let's go ahead and go to the second level. Here we have an Orange Julius. Running up the escalator. Here we have a for lease spot here. New fashion, new design. Here you have an arcade here. Here you have this restaurant called Canteen. And yeah, so that's what inside of Dragon City Mall looks like. And let's go back and head outside. So we are back outside. That is Dragon City Mall on the corner of Dundas and Spadina Avenue, the heart of Toronto's Chinatown. Here you can see on that end of the street. Here we have a drugstore, Rexall drugstore. And if you head down on this street will lead you to Young Dundas Square, which is basically the entertainment or the Times Square of Canada. So here we have several more restaurants and shops on the street. House of Gourmet Seafood Barbecue Noodles. Here you can see the CN Tower from here. Here you have a noodles shop down in the basement, having a grand opening discount. Here you have a gift shop, Toronto Chinatown gift shop. You have more restaurants, Hong Kong Bistro Cafe. Here you have another Canada Gifts, Canada souvenirs, t-shirt, caps, and bags and gifts. Here we are coming up on this busy intersection. You have several shops. And here's another view of the CN Tower on Dundas Street. And here you have this cool decoratives. So here is the beautiful view of downtown Toronto with the CN Tower in the background. And what a beautiful skyline to see from here. So we are back on Spadina Avenue and Dundas Street, the heart of Toronto's Chinatown. Here's the Dragon City Mall that we enter. And as we continue to walk on Spadina Avenue, here we can see more shops. And here's on the other end of Toronto's Chinatown. And here's a streetcar. And yeah, so that is the adventure of Toronto's Chinatown. If you like this video, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below what you think about this place. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be sure to get my other YouTube content that's on this channel. And thank you for watching Alex's Adventures. And I'll see you on next one.